Okay, so now in the previous video I explained how to read the double fatha, the double kasra, and the double dhamma. So everyone should remember that. So here's the double dhammas, and here's double fatha, double kasra. So the an, in, and the un. Okay, so now in this video we're going into the exercises. So now the first line. Okay, so now if you notice that the double fatha always comes at the end of the word. Okay, so here, this letter over here is our letter over here. So we learned how that's pronounced. And ban, tan, than, jan, han, khan, and then dan. So this letter at the end over here is dan. Okay, now over here, again, same thing. So dan. Now this letter over here is a qaf with a double fatha. So that's what we read over here. So this was, if you remember, qon. And likewise over here, double fatha letter at the end, which was a letter over here, fan. And the last one is kan, which is our letter over here. So the double fatha has always come at the end of the word, not in the middle or the beginning. Okay, so now let's learn how to read these. So this is a, ba, aba, dan, abadan. Okay, and make sure you do not stretch any of the letters. So don't say abadan, or don't say abadan. Okay, so it's abadan. And another thing I forgot to mention is that all double fathas, they come with an alif. But the alif is silent, so you don't pronounce them. So if you look, every letter with a double fatha has an alif, but you ignore the alif. Okay, next one. Ra, ra. So both these are full mouth letters. Ra, ra, dan, ra, ra, dan. And again, no stretching. So don't say ra, ra, dan, or don't say ra, ra, dan. Okay, so no stretching at all. Ra, ra, dan. Ta, ba, طبق طبق ja. Next word. Jana, jana. This is a jim and then a nun. Jana. Then a fa with a double fatha. Fan. Jana fan. So here's a mim. Ma. Lam with a kasra. Li. Mali. Then a kaf with a double fatha. Kan. Mali kan. Okay, so now pause the video and practice this line by yourself. And if you're not sure, then all you have to do is rewind the video and practice and listen to it again. Next line. Okay, so there's a mim, then a tha, then a lam with a double fatha. So it's ma, tha, matha, lan, matha, lan. This letter over here is an ain with a kasra. So it's I. And here, this is a one-line letter with a dot on top. So it's na. It's a nun with a fatha. Na. Aina, ban, aina, ban. So again, making sure not to stretch anything. Qa, sa, qasa. Then our last letter is over here is another sad with a double fatha this time, which we read over here. Qasasan. Next letter, next box. This is a lam, then an ain, and then a ba. So it's lam with a fatha, la. Ain with a kasra, I. La'i, ba with a double fatha, ban. La'iban, tha, ma, thama, nan. So it's a nun with a double fatha. Thamanan. Okay, so you should have got the hang of it by now. So now pause the video and then practice that line. And next line, third line now. First letter is again, it's an alif with a fatha, a. Then a sin with a kasra, si. Asi. Then a fa with a double fatha, fan. Asi fan. Again, making sure not to stretch anything. So don't say asifan, or don't say asifan. Okay, make sure you don't stretch anything. Or even a double fatha, don't stretch that. Don't say fan. So it's asifan, no stretching at all. Okay, here, the qaf is a full mouth letter. Qa, da, qada, ron. Again, full mouth ra. Qadaron. It's a lam. La, ba, laba, nan, labanan. Okay, now here, the first letter is a kaf. Ka. Then a dhal with a kasra, the, kadhi, ban, kadhiban. Okay, now the last box. That's a sheen with a fatha, sha. That's a ta with a fatha, ta, shata. So again, the ta is a full mouth letter. So it's not twa, it's ta. And again the ta with a double fatha. Ton, shataton. Okay, now pause the video and practice that line. Okay, now the fourth line. So first letter is a kaf with a dhamma, then a fa with a dhamma. Ku, fu, kufu, one, kufu, one. Okay, so there's no stretching again. Next box. Lu, ba, luba, then a dal with double fatha. Dan, luba, dan. Next box. Su, ru, suru, ron. Both the ra's full mouth. Suru, ron. Hu, zu, huzu, then a waw with double fatha. One, huzu, one. Okay, so remember this letter here is a ha, small ha. Then it's ru, su, rusu. Then we have the lam with the double fatha, which we read over here. Lan, rusu, lan. Okay, so now the three-lettered words are done. Now the last letter, it's not hard, but each word has 4 letters this time. Okay, so normally the mistake that students make is they stretch it, because now there are more than 3 letters. Students tend to stretch a letter to try and say the box. So make sure you do not stretch any of the letters. Okay, so let's do the first one. A, so that's an ayn with a fatha. A, la, ala, qa, ala, qa, tan, ala, qa, tan. Okay, so no stretching. So don't say ala, qa, tan, or don't say ala, qa, tan. Yeah, so don't stretch any of the letters. So here, first is a ba, so qaf with a fatha. Qa, baqa, ra, baqara, tan, baqaratan. Okay, now this is a big ha. So don't say ha, a small one. It's a big one. Ha, sa, hasa, na, hasana, tan, hasanatan. Notice I'm not stretching anything. So keep on practicing these until you can say it all in one go without stretching anything. So practice makes perfect. Read it 5 times, 6 times, 7 times if you have to. Just make it perfect. Na, khi, nahi, this is a nun and a kha. Ra, nahi, ra. Tan, nahi, ra, tan. So here the kha and the ra are full mouth letters. Okay, so now practice this page and make it perfect before we go into the next page.